Children, this is the 11th question in 8.4th exercise. Triangle ABC, right angle at B given, sir. D and E are the points on BC. Trisect it. The meaning of trisect is BD is equal to DE is equal to EC. The three parts are equal parts. And also is asking to prove, very interesting, 8AE square, this middle is plane. 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Only focus on these three lines. The important question also this is, okay, given. I am going to write the given, sir. In triangle ABC, and B is equal to 90 degrees, and also BC trisected by which point? D by DE, D and E. By the help of these 3 points, it is trisected. So he is asking to prove 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Okay, Nana. Okay, we are going to do the proof. First, you focus on RTP only. నేను RTP ని చూస్తూ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలి. ఎలా చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ you focus on AC. AC, where is AC? This is AC. Okay, this is the biggest triangle. AC means we get the biggest triangle because AC is the hypotenuse, means we get triangle AC. That's how I am writing it. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That's why by the help of Pythagoras theorem we have to write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC. Is it clear now? Okay. AB square plus BC square, and before AC 3 is there, that's why multiply both sides with 3. So both sides with 3. Okay, then so what do we get? Then 3AC square is equal to 3AB square plus 3BC square. Okay. Up to here we got. This is repeated as the first equation. Okay. This is the first equation. Next, you focus on AD. AD triangle means this is the AD triangle. Now take as the triangle. In triangle ADB. Where is the 90 degrees? Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So that's according to Pythagoras theorem. That in the ABD triangle, AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. Is it clear then? This is and here before of AD 5 is there. That's why multiply both sides with 5. So we get 5AD square is equal to 5AB square plus 5BD square. Okay, then this is the equation number 2. Now add first and second equation. Why should we add Nana? మనకి ఎలా తెలుసు యాడ్ చేయాలని? Because 3AC square plus 5AD square is there. Between them plus is there. That's why add first and second. You add this both. So what are that? 3AC square plus 3 5AD square is equal to 3AB square plus 3BC square plus 5AB square plus 5BD square. Okay, then clear? Right. In the next step, 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to here 3AB square, here 5AB square. Total 8AB square. Okay. And here 3BC square, 5BD square. Okay, then we reach here. Sir, ఇక్కడికి మనం చేరుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు how to get this total answer is equal to 8AE square. So AE means what? AE square. This is the AE. On AE triangle means AB is E triangle. Actually, this total కనుక మనకి AB square plus BE square లాగా మారిపోయేది అనుకోండి. If it is AB square plus BE square, we have to write AE square. Okay? Means AB square plus AE square, we have to write AE square. అలా వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి. So our plan is how to convert this BC and BD as BE. As BE. Any is there? Any clue is there? Means we given clue. That is BC trisected. BC is the trisected. These three are the equal parts. Take the help of that information. We have to take BE is equal to this BE part is equal to in the BC 2BC by 3. Is it clear, Nana? BC lo third part lo the two parts untundi. So 2BC by 3 and make them subject to BC. BC is equal to 2BE, sorry 3BE by 2. This is the BC. And also BD. That BD is equal to, BD is half of BE. Half. సరే ఇలా మనకి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి BC టర్మ్ని BD టర్మ్ని మనం BE టర్మ్స్గా మార్చుకున్నాం. Now substitute 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8AB square plus instead of BC square we have to write a 3BE square, 3BE by 2 whole square plus 5 into instead of BD we have to write half BE. So what now? 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8AB square plus 3 into 3 square is 9BE square by 4. And the same here 5 into BE square by 4. Okay. Then what we get here 8AB square. From this to the LCM, 4 is the LCM. Okay, this is 27. Already 4 is the 27 BE square plus this is 5BE square. Okay, 8AB square plus is 8AB square plus total 32 BE square by 4. 4 ones are 4 8s are. Okay, 8 you take as the common. Okay, Nana, where should I write it? Yep. 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8AB square plus 8BE square. Okay. Okay, and the next step we have to take the common. Okay, I am doing here. Result 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to, take as the 8 common, 8 of AB square plus BE square. Okay, మనం అనుకున్నది వచ్చేసిందనా? Instead of AB square plus BE square we have to write AE square. If you write in triangle AEB, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, so that AB square plus BE square is equal to AE square. So we get 3AC square plus 5AD square is equal to 8 AE square. Hence proves. Try to do neatly, sir. Okay, thank you.